Hello, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to curve text inside Canva. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright guys, go ahead and open up Canva, and for this demonstration I'm just going to do a blank Instagram post. So now to curve text, simply add in the text here like so, and then from here you want to click onto effects above that. So click into effects, and then you'll get all these options here. You've got style and then shape, and now click on the curve, and that curves the text, and you can make it larger or bigger, and you can also edit the text here like so. So yeah, that's it for this quick tutorial guys, how to curve text inside Canva. Thanks for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found it was helpful.